This is French and Pinay Simple Life in the Philippines. Once again, I hope you are all doing well. So in this video, I just like to share you guys how my husband Christian prepares our water system, especially at this time of the year here in the Philippines. We are very dry, but we are very lucky to finally we get a water from the water company, from the municipality, because before it's so impossible to get water from our line. And Christian purchased a pressure tank, as you can see on the beginning of the video. So it's a 21-gallon pressure tank. And also we purchased a new hose to reach the whole Napier grass, because they really need a rescue. So as I always said on my previous video, that we keep on watering them every afternoon, every end of the afternoon, to support them, to support their water needs, because it's really dry. So Christian is not so happy with with what we bought online, because it's not really a one-half size, and he tried to compare it with the blue hose, and it's really small. But fortunately, he was able to expand it to fit on the one-half size of faucet. The pressure tank that Christian bought, he connected temporarily for in our small green tub, and connected also from the blue barrels that we have. But first, he of course he need to install and the pump, and he spent time to do this. So as you can see, he bought all the materials from the hardware, including the stainless, I know it's not stainless, a metal faucet. And after hard work to install and to organize the pump and the pressure tank, finally we get pressure even inside the house in my dishwashing place. And also it's perfect to it's so perfect to water the Napier, because I can reach now even the farther rows, and I don't need to extend the hose. I don't need to pull the hose every time. The pressure tank comes with an automatic system. But I'm sure you guys know how this system works. And for now, it's temporary for the pressure tank to be connected on the small green tub and refilled from the blue barrels. But the real plan is to put the pressure tank later on, when the big concrete water tank will be ready. And Christian also spent a lot of time to fix the gutter, and he put a screen with smaller eyes to protect the gutter from the dried leaves, because there are so many dried leaves falling from the trees around, and like this they will be trapped and will not go to the gutter. So it's a very good idea. It's a very nice idea of him. So my next video, I'll show you the update on our water tank, because we already finished to put a cover except for the door, a small part for the door on top. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you are all doing well. We are doing well here, and it's always so many things to do, even it's dry even it's dry season, but there are so much to do here in our place. Again, thank you for watching, everyone, and have a great time.